Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to protect your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. Where in the main page at the upper right corner, you can get started logging into your account. If you do not already have one, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be now greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page of your website. Where at the left side screen, we can find all the sections we can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So basically guys, let's go and take a look at what we can use for protecting our website. The main feature guys is that there is no special feature. You cannot implement anything for protection. You will just need to go ahead and protect your account. So the account that is behind your WordPress website, you want to choose a good password, you want to choose a strong password, you want to enable two-factor authentication so that nobody can log into your account, and so on. So basic stuff just like that is going to enable you to go ahead and get the most out of protection for your account. But if you want to add more protection, what you can do is go into the plugin section right here, go into plugins, and in the new plugins marketplace you can search for protection. So as you can see, after searching for protection, it's going to give us a result with all the plugins related to protection. What we can use is Jetpack guys. This is the VP security that's going to enable you to add more security into your website. So you can use this plugin right here to implement it into your website and to go ahead and up your protection. This is one of the ways you can also do so, just by choosing a good password, installing the plugins, and so on. So that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So I guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.